The TSF has called for a 12-hour strike on August 28 in Hatai Kotor, Champaknagar, Hejamara, Bishramganj and Manukhat on the demands of inclusion of Kokborok Roman script in all exams. TSF General Secretary Hamalu Jamatia announced the strike at a press conference at Agartala Press Club on Saturday.
The Tripura people have been demanding for many years and decades the opportunity to write the Kokborok language in Roman script. However, the state or central government does not want us to write and read in our mother tongue Kokborok Roman script or have any interest to hear the demand and impose the Kokborok Roman script. In fact, we don't need a permission from outsider or need an advice to write and read in our mother tongue Kokborok Roman script. We ourselves will choose what we need is necessary for our generation to come. As such on this issue, a demand letter was presented to the present government 2 months ago. Likewise, several movements and sit-in demonstrations were also organized by various organizations on the demand of Kokborok Roman script to be written in all exams. However, there is no response from the state government regarding the demand, which is why the TSF has called for a 12-hour bond on August 28 in Hatai Kotor, Champaknagar, Hejamara, Bishramganj and Manukhat. TSF General Secretary Hamalu Jamatia announced the strike at a press conference at Agartala Press Club on Saturday. He urged all student organizations to come forward in this strike.
Chini media friends Chini Tripura Student Federation English and Press Meet Asongan Komasi. So, Koduma Salrogo Chini demand ni Rognogo ni Tongo. 50 years plus Chini demand. Roman script Kokborok subject hai ke language implement khai gan bagi Chini movement. Seng taksuk zora Chini movement seng thagya goi joya goi seng khai ni. Thangnai talnai sekang seng lukha. Seng TSF mengai seng governor of state seng memorandum ya farka. Seng aro Chini appeal te Chini request seng kunukha. Je immediately Chini or demand no rogan ibagai. Talai lai thangka seng mungsa nugya. Mungsa respond hai ka positive result seng nugya. Government of state seng kha kai Chini sakawo borok belai ne sak nangya hanang penang khai tamani seng nukha. Omo Chini bagai lasi sengsa. Chini dopani bagai lasi sengsa. Seng TSF 50 years rongoi seng dopan bagai samang khai pai tong. Dopani kahani bagai. Omo Chini joto Chini borok ni bagai lasi masang sesi. Seng taksuk zora hanang pinang khaijak tongmani. Chini demands. Omo seng ke no koigai hayake segai nagani seng saya. Omo ka Chini rights, Chini manthai. Omo seng busitai. Chini student ro. Seng nirong no bu koinai. Omo nirong ni rights. Te Tripura Chini borok nirong busitai. Seng nirong ni bagai fight khai tong. Boni bagai seng TSF taksuk zara Khorang tisai matong. Seng zeman sak Chini dopani bagai seng khainai. Chini students Chini borok ni bagai seng sakari samang khaina tong. Take as a point seng government of India seng appeal khainai 125 amendment bill. Parliament House of place gang thang immediately. O kani demand hote gai seng Chini press meet asokman engga. Seng nukha government of the state and government of India seng no sak na yang tongmani. Tangai seng 50 years rongoi or demands. Omo Chini koksi. Chini koksi omo. Seng tangai Chini kok no ba. Je skui thainyo seng 50 years rongoi seng sanga nang tokana. Amo seng busi thai. Boni bagai seng Monday 28 of August 2023 12 hours di bagai Tripura haste ganangai seng strike da kogo. Boni bagai Tripura haste ni borok no. Teaching student no. O strike no successful thaiga ni bagai seng nirong ni support nanggo. Omongkha Chini demand. Sung TSF ni simi demand ya. Tripura haste luku. Joton omo chini manthai. Chini future generation students rock. Omo nirok ni rights, te nirok ni demand. Sung nirok ni bagi fight kai tong. Nirok ni participate, nirok ni support sung nangge. Ang appeal khai nai. Joto organization. Joto student organization. Of all different student organization, I appeal you all to participate in this movement. Government rock, sung no sak na yang tong. Sung request hai busin khorang khana jali. Boni bagai sung all the step mana hal kha. Sung governor no sung request hai ka boka. Hai pana. Sung nukha. Sung no mungsa respond rohya. 125 amendment bill House of Place angkang thang. Arab kebang ma points tong ang brief hai ka thang liya. Boni bagai ang jotonano koinai all the strike no successful khai ga ni bagai participate khai ga ni bagai. Students thang civil society yang thang ang nirong na apple khai nai. So nirong ni support nangge. Omong kasi ni future generation ni bagai sung fight khai tong. Boni bagai nirong ni hamzak ma nirong ni support sung nangge. TSF ngai nirong no sung usung no kok kacharnai. Monday wo sing strike no success khai ni bagai sung nirong ni thani koi mung rohoro.
Apart from TSF Secretary Hamalu Zomatia, there were also TSF Advisor Bibas Debarma and other members of TSF presence in the press meet. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini Khorang.